What is up, guys? I'm John and you're watching Johnny Fabs, and today we are working on the Datsun. I have the Datsun flipped over on its side so we can work on the underneath. Today we are going to be mounting the fuel cell and getting that fabricated in and getting the floors modified to fit it. So yeah, we're going to do that today. Last video we did the roll cage, so go check that out. That's all wrapped up. But today's going to be the fuel cell, so we're going to get into it. So I think the first step I'm going to do is cut out this back panel where the stock tank was. I think I'm going to follow this line here across where this cross member is, just above it, and leaving that 3/4 inch piece to weld to. So I'm going to start by cutting that out, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I have the fuel cell up here and I started cutting the angle iron. This is I think 1 by 1 or 1.5 by 1.5. I got it 45'd here, got it coming up over the arch, and then it just works its way around. I think I'm ready to tack it. I'm going to tack it and on it and then go ahead and fully weld it. I think that's the way I'm going to go, and then I'm going to have some angle iron going down, and then we can tie it in to the underside. So I just got the bottom support all welded up. I ended up using some Sawzall blades. I shoved them in underneath the metal. That way gave it some space when it cools down. It's not going to be too tight. Hopefully that should work. Hopefully it's not too tight. And then once I let that cool down, we'll start working on the down bars. Well, I guess it'll be up since this will be upside down. So yep, just trying to keep you guys in the loop. But yeah, I just MIG welded it and got that all done. So yep, we're gonna keep moving. All right guys, so I just got the frame kind of tacked in and fitted on the inside. I ended up making angle iron but facing out that way, and so it could fit on the floor pan. Went all the way around, 45 the edges, and then I used another piece of angle on the inside, and then on the outside of the frame we just built. I just have it tacked, fully welded on the inside, and I still have to fully weld it on the bottom side. So it's coming along. We'll throw the tank in there so you guys can see it in there and how it looks. It looks pretty good, so I'm gonna do that now. So here is a look from inside. You can see it sits up a little bit on the floor, but I'm going to be making a cover for it. That way it's enclosed and it's safe for a fire hazard. Here's a look underneath. So I measured it. It's about an inch higher than the drive shaft hoop, so it's sitting up high enough. And then from the bottom, still have your fittings there for the fuel supply. Tank can come down a little bit. Looks like it's sitting up on there a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that fully welded up, and then that should be done as far as that part of the project. Then we still have to remake the floor in the back because I went ahead and cut more of the rust out, so I'm gonna get going on that. But I think that's gonna be it for making the fuel tank or the fuel cell holder mount for the back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. Hopefully it wasn't too long, but please hit that like button. Please subscribe for more on the Datsun build, because there's going to be a lot of videos coming. So please subscribe, and we're going to keep working on it.